So the contest is through Lincoln Electric. We found out about it. I've known about it for a while now. It's a great contest. I try to get kids to enter projects that I think are capable of winning or winning something. And basically what it is they have a chance to win money and possibly a welder and different supplies, welding supplies. So it's a great opportunity for the students. The money they win is not for a grant. It's literally just cash that goes in their pocket. They can use it for anything, help pay for their project, whatever. And it's a really great opportunity for students to be rewarded for their work. Isabella came to me with the idea of making an octopus lamp. I've never made an octopus lamp. It was more of a sculpture than an actual project, physical project. So I kind of really didn't know where to go or what to do or how to do it. So it was a lot of research and ingenuity that went into the project. We had to use the equipment we had to try to make this project. And it was a task. It was fun.
I had a hole in my schedule because I was part of the Academy of Medical Arts and Engineering. So I didn't have to take career choices. So I wasn't sure what to do with the independent study, and I didn't want it to be a study hall. So I went to Snare because it was after my first metals class, and I asked him if I could do something during the independent study. A lot of the art I do is from animals, and octopi are my favorite animals, so it was like a great idea. The building process was a lot of just figuring out how to do what we wanted to do. We had to try multiple things to bend the legs and make the spirals.
A lot of the torch crucible furnace was used, and then the webbing in between the legs, that was very difficult. When you try to bend metal like your paper pattern, the paper is easy to bend, the metal does not want to cooperate the same. So that was a challenge too, but we overcame it. She did a good job. She won a MIG welder. That's a Lincoln Electric SP140T. It's a great one. It's only 120 volt, so it can be plugged into any outlet, which is great. You don't have to have a special gauge wire or anything, or a special outlet for it. So you can kind of take it anywhere, and it's portable, and it's one of the easier processes for welding. So it's a great starter machine for someone who really just wants to pick up the art, really work with it.
I had not heard anything about it until the very end of the summer, so I didn't think I won anything. And when I did, I was super happy and excited and couldn't wait to tell people. And then my mom found out and she started telling everyone, so all these people knew. And then right away I told Snare and he got super excited.
It makes me proud to see a student take their vision and see it all the way through, and not to give up when things got difficult or be lazy and forget about it. It's really easy to come up with an idea. It's much harder to see it actually become a real thing. So I applaud Isabella on her accomplishment. I'm really happy to see her get rewarded in the way she did.
I had no idea what I was doing, and I wouldn't have been able to make this without the support of Mr. Snare and the other tech teachers. They really helped me through the whole process of it.